Yeah, please subscribe to our channel, and if you're new, you're watching Polytube Family.
Yes, so it's right now, guys. Well, Wesley had the egg. Oh yes, I just had the house.
Where are we going? It's been a while. Just heading out of Hamilton to get some lunch to break our fast. We had a good break. We had a good Christmas break, a New Year's Day. It was nice. It was quiet. It was peaceful. I hope you guys had a good Christmas and a good New Year with your family and your friends. I just can't wait for the borders to open so we can go back home and see my mom and my family back in Samoa, and Shane's family as well, and my friends. It looks like
doner meat kebab, lamb, chicken mixed together, chips and cheese, and sweet chili.
So it has carrots, olives, and some chicken.
lettuce.
Yep, and cheese.
They're yummy as. This is only our second time, or my second time eating Taco Bell.
This is nice. I thought what I yellow sauce. That's what sweet chili and aioli. Is it aioli or garlic? I can't remember now.
It smells like curry.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm not sure if it's Nutella or I don't know what the chocolate thing is, but it's yummy. Yeah? Yummy?
John, how did
John, did you like your food?
Yes, look, they're all finished.
All finished?
Yes.
Nella?
a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, because I didn't taste the cheese that properly.
Yeah.
I'll give mine 7 out of 10.
Yeah, what was wrong with it? I thought
There's
it was
nothing,
nice.
there's nothing wrong with it. The meat was, I think what was missing, I should have put salad in it.
Yeah, that's it for today. We have some shopping to do, and then we're gonna go home and watch some movies. So we'll catch you in the next one.
We just went down the slide. I'll do it again for you guys.